What do you need to have a successful YouTube channel for your business? Follow the below hacks stack and use it as a reference guide. Be sure to answer each question and follow each step. Launching a YouTube channel. Step 1. Who is your target audience? Age, gender, geographical location, social status, single, married, in a relationship, their preferences. 2. Who are your competitors? Do a research for similar keywords. Find what distinguishes your channel and what drive your audience to subscribe to your channel. Build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel. Do that by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. 3. Do you have a content plan? Provide your audience with something they're looking for. Specify a day and time to upload your new videos. 4. What equipment and video editing software you'll need? Most smartphones will do the job. Or a good quality HD video recorder. Use good editing software. 5. Do you have the time to create your videos? Allocate time each week to film and edit your videos. Outsource the video creation process if you don't have time. Niche down. Step 6. What are you good at? Focus on your strengths. People use YouTube to learn or to be entertained. Do you want to inform or entertain? 7. Select a YouTube category for your content. There are 15 categories to choose from. Question: what is the category of your content? Tell us about it in the comments below. 8. Research interesting topics. Find what problems or questions that people are looking for answers in your niche. YouTube channel optimization. Step 9. Choose a short and catchy channel name that stands out. 10. Use an attractive channel icon for your brand and make sure it is a clear image. 11. Create a channel trailer. You have few seconds to hook your visitors when they land on your channel, so try to showcase what your channel is about and give them a reason to subscribe. 12. Share your other social media platforms links to help you build your network. 13. Use a professional channel art. The banner appears at the top of your channel. It should include your logo and avoid using YouTube's default background. 14. Complete the About section. Include a detailed description of your channel and how can you help your audience. Include social media links. YouTube content strategy. Step 15. Consistency is important. You must satisfy your target audience. Switching topics and focus will confuse your target audience. 16. Create different types of videos. Presentations creates a compelling and shareable narrative. Company culture videos, behind the scenes look at your company. Interviews, you can interview thought leaders in your industry. Product reviews cover the proceedings of a corporate. Events. Tutorials help you expand your reach. Webinars are high value and low cost endeavors. Vlogs won't cost a ton of money and personality driven. Building YouTube audience. Step 17. Comment on similar videos. Provide valuable or insightful feedback on relevant channels and avoid spamming others with self-promoting comments. 18. Use other social media platforms. Reach a broader audience to market your videos. 19. Participate in relevant forums. Leave valuable comments in discussions and don't spam with self-promotion tactics. 20. Collaborate with others. You can gain additional exposure and reach a broader audience. Work with someone in your niche. Increase YouTube engagement rate. Step 21. Create eye-catching thumbnails. This will help to increase your click-through rates and engagement. 22. Use YouTube annotations to drive user actions. By including call to actions, you can gain subscribers, grow your viewership, interact with audience and drive traffic to your website. 23. Use YouTube SEO principles and marketing strategies. Use keywords in titles and descriptions. Promote through email marketing. Embed videos in your blog posts. Promote on social media. YouTube monetization and other alternatives. Step 24. Join the YouTube Partner Program. Display ads on your videos. Feature affiliate products. You can add your affiliate links in the video description. Sell your own products or services. Drive traffic to your website. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.